everyone. So today I'm going to be bleaching my hair with Splat Bleach. And here is the peroxide developer. So I'm going to bleach my roots. Powder in there. And then I'm pouring the peroxide in there. And mixing it up. Okay, so now it's all nice and fluffy. Now it's ready to be applied. Alright, I'm going to make another bottle, put that in, and then I'll show you guys the results. Alright, now, usually what I like to do is put a trash bag on my hair to keep the heat in when I'm bleaching my hair. And then I'm going to take a blow dryer and heat it up. Okay. Now we wait about 5 to 10 minutes and wash it out. And so I'm going to be washing it out with Shimmer Light shampoo and conditioner because this is a toner and it will make my hair more blonde because it's going to get all that brassiness out, all the orange. Alright. See you guys in a bit. Hello everyone, so now my hair is bleached and sectioned. I'm going to use this dollar black hair dye to do my tips black. So here's the developer, here's the cream. I'm going to be mixing it in this bowl so it's color easy black. There's the box. I'm going to pour it in here. because they used the wood to puncture it. I'm just going to use half of it right now. So I'm going to need a little bit of dye. So that's the mixing bowl. Mix that up. It's weird that it looks white, but it's supposed to be black. Okay, now that it's all mixed up, it looks like this. It's like a white cream. Hello everyone, so this is the final result with my makeup and my hair straightened. The blonde came out pretty blonde. Let me try to show you the back. Voila! So this is blonde hair with black tips. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below what should I do to my hair next. I was thinking about putting like some red, like close to where the black is, but just on the bottom. I don't know what you guys think. Anyways, I hope you like it. So I trimmed my hair and then I bleached it because I had some regrowth, and I used the Splat Bleach, and then I just used Dollar Tree black hair dye for $1.25. So altogether this look cost about like 12 bucks, 15 at most, you know. Instead of going to a hair salon, paying hundreds of dollars, I can do this by myself for 15 bucks. There you go. Better way to save money. I hope you guys like my makeup. So right here I have the gold MAC. And then I just put the black, it's like a Hot Topic eyeshadow. And then line my eyes with L'Oreal Paris. I love it. I'm obsessed. I hope you guys like it too. Anyways, have a great day. Peace.